Nanjing Man undercut mechanical anchor installation process. Measure the length below the annular tube. Mark the drilling depth. Check the effective depth and hole diameter in the installation parameter table. Drill holes with an impact drill. The diameter, depth, and verticality of holes should meet the specification requirements. Use a hard brush to clear the holes. Clean the holes with an air pump. The dust in the holes must be cleaned. Use Mancate rear expanded drill bits to drill into the bottom of the holes in rotation, and push hard to open the reaming head for reaming holes. Then, use the air pump for clearing the holes. Before installing the anchor bolts, first tighten the nuts by hand to ensure that the components of the anchor bolts are not loose. Put Mancate rear expanded anchor bolts into the bottom of the holes. Use a wrench to tighten the nuts so that the anchor bolts move outward and the lock keys open. Remove the nut spacers. Install the anchored members. Retighten the nuts with a wrench. Then use the torque wrench to twist the specified torque value to ensure that the lock keys are in place and the installation is complete. Thanks for watching. For more information on rear expanded anchor bolts, please search for Nanjing Man.